So once we've set the origin of the probe, we're going to need to tell it the extents relative to that origin in which to probe. So to do that, we need to go into Setup, and under the Options menu here, we're looking at the 3D scan parameters. So we've already put in these values. The value in the X direction, you can see axis 1, scan axis 1 is the X axis, axis 2 is the Y axis, and axis 3 is the Z axis. So we've used a tape measure to measure the size of the object. We figured out that it's approximately 7 inches in the X direction, approximately 6.5 inches in the Y direction, and 1.75 inches in the Z direction. So we're going to use those dimensions here, input them in, and that's going to set the extents that the probe will test. Then after that, we need to set the step of the probe. So it's going to create a grid with these dimensions. So axis 1, the x-axis, the grid will be 0.2 inches wide, and in the y direction it will also be 0.2 inches. So the spacing will be 0.2 in both directions. And if you're scanning something smaller, you want to make that a lot smaller. For something this size, this allows for a fairly speedy scan. So that would be a recommended setting for something of this size.